You can turn $11 into $1,200, and I'm going to show you how in this video coming up. Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel where we show you how to make websites with WordPress and also show you how to buy and sell online businesses just like in this video. So if you are new here, don't be a stranger anymore. Make sure you join the family by subscribing to the channel and also enable the notification bell so that you don't miss out on our future videos. That being said, let's get started with a step-by-step tutorial. I recently bought this domain name, that is easypeep.com, for just $11, and that was on the 19th of August 2022 this year, just last month, and today it is worth $1,200 according to GoDaddy's domain appraisal tool. And this is what I'm going to show you to do in this video so that you can be able to turn $11 into over $1,000. The question you may ask is, what kind of domain should you buy? Before you buy a domain, make sure you search for keywords people are searching for. You also need to follow trending topics in order to come out with your domain names. And there are a whole lot of tools out there that can help you to generate domain names, and I'll show you how to use some of them in this video. In buying a domain name, you should consider the popularity of the keywords used in that particular domain name. The next thing you want to consider is the length of the domain name. The third thing you may want to consider before buying a domain name is how memorable the domain name is. Your domain name shouldn't be difficult for people to remember. So looking at my domain name right here, according to GoDaddy's domain appraisal, the two keywords I've used, that is peep and easy, are valuable keywords where they have average sale prices of $16,000 and $2,000 respectively. The keyword easy is a popular keyword which is widely used. As you can see on top here, these are some comparable domain names which people have sold already. And looking at all these three, they all have the word easy in them. I'll show you a platform where you can go ahead and sell your domain names after you have bought it and they have increased in value. But before we do that, let's go over to Google Trends. Google Trends is a platform where I usually use to get my domain names or search for keywords people may be searching around the globe. So if I want to buy a domain which is related to energy saving, all what I need to do is click in here, then I search for energy saver or something related to that. Then I go ahead and click on it. And right here I have the results. So people have been searching for this keyword energy saver, and this is how the trend goes for the past 12 months. If I want, I can also target a specific country. For instance, I can target United States like this. And the trends in United States too is not bad. If I want, I can also go ahead and compare it with related keywords. For instance, power saver. Then I go ahead and click on search term. As you can see right here, according to the trends, energy saver is doing well than power saver. You can even see the gap in the bar graphs right here. If you are finding value so far, please give this video a thumbs up. It does help me out so that the video will be suggested to more people on YouTube and also benefit more people. Alright, let's get back to the video. So if I finally settle that I want to go in for energy saver, what I can do is go over to domain name search. Domain name search is a platform where you can search for domain names. They even have a tool that you can use to generate domain names. And that is what I'm going to use. So I go ahead and click on domain generator. Then in the search field, I search for energy saver. Now when you search for a keyword and you see that the domain name generated is in red, meaning it is not available for you to use. However, those having green text means they are available for you to go ahead and buy them. I've just spotted this one, best energy saver, which is very good. So if I come back here and add best, you see that it is green, which means that I can actually go ahead and buy this domain. And this domain name will be very good for affiliate marketing in the energy saving niche. So when you get your domain name like this, you can go to whichever domain name provider you want to buy your domain from. I buy most of my domain names with Dynadot. There's another platform you can use to search for domain names or even go ahead and generate domain names, and that is fastdomainer.com. If you land on fastdomainer.com, all what you need to do is click on domain generator. Down here you see all the domain extensions they support on their platform. And this brings us to what kind of domain extension you should be buying. I would highly recommend you go in for .com extensions. You can also consider going in for .io domains or even .ai domains. That is if you want to target the AI industry. For this tutorial, I'm going to concentrate on .com, so I'll go ahead and uncheck the rest of them. Then I go ahead and enter in my keyword, energy saver, then I click on generate. Let's see what we'll get on Fast Domainer. Going down, they will give you some great alternatives you can go ahead and choose from. This one is good, electricity-saver.com, renewablesaver.com, energysaverapp.com, energysaversystems.com. So all these parents are good. Let's see if we find the domain we had on instant domain search. So I go down, let's see if we find best energy. I think it is right here, bestenergysaver.com. So our final settle for bestenergysaver.com, and I'm going to go ahead and buy it. So what I'm going to do is I'll just go ahead and copy the domain name. Then I go over to dynadot.com and I go ahead and find it. Search. Alright, as you can see here, it is available for me to register at $10.99, which is about $11. So I'll add it to cart. It is added. I view the cart. So I'll just go ahead and check out and get back to you in a second. Alright, I've just bought the domain. So going back to Dynadot homepage, I'll go ahead and search for it again to verify if it's still available. Search. As you can see right here, the domain name Best Energy Saver has been registered. So that's it on how you can buy a domain name. After buying it, you just have to wait for some few days to see how it will increase in value. However, we can go over to the GoDaddy's domain appraisal tool. Then we go ahead and search our domain, get value. As you can see, we already have an estimated value of $1,137. And look at some comparable domains, bestenergysaving.com, bestenergysolutions.com, and then topenergystocks.com. My domain has a valuable keyword energy with an average sale price of $1,800. It also has popular keywords like best and energy, which are widely used. And it has a great domain extension, that is a .com extension. So if people want to buy my domain through Dynadot domain appraisal tool, the tool will tell them that someone owns this domain. And if they still want it, they can go ahead and click here to go through the purchasing process. However, I don't sell my domains through GoDaddy. And this brings us to the platform where you can go and sell your domain name. That is flipper.com. I'll leave all applicable links in the description down below so you can go ahead and check them out. Flipper.com is a platform where you can buy and sell online businesses. So if you land on flipper.com, all what you need to do is go over to browse, then you click on domains. Right here, you see so many domains people have listed for sale. Look at this one, ecommerceblogs.com. And the domain age is 2 years. This domain is looking good, deardiary.com. You see that so many people have their domains here for sale. If you are ready to sell your domain on flipper.com, all what you need to do is go ahead and click on sell now. From here, you go ahead and enter in your domain name and click on continue. And then you need to enter some information about your business. If it is a website or a domain name, you go ahead and enter the information accordingly. And then when it is finally approved and get listed on Flipper, buyers who see your domain name and are interested in it, they can go ahead and make a bid or just go ahead and buy at the particular price you are offering it for. So that's it on how you can turn $11 into over $1,000 by buying and selling domain names. Alright guys, I hope you found value in today's video. If you did, kindly hit the like button, Subscribe if you have not yet subscribed, and also enable the notification bell so that you don't miss out on our future videos. Now, if you are looking for more related content just like the one you just watched, make sure you stick around to watch any of the two videos on your screen right now. Keep watching, and I'll see you inside any of the two videos.